Hello everyone. In this video, I will be walking you through my solutions to the staircase problem in HackerRank using JavaScript. I will explain my thought process and the logic behind the code. I'll try and make the code as short as possible. There are different ways, many ways to solve this problem. Okay, let's go through the problem now. You can go ahead and read the description of the problem and the function and read all that. And then we are going to go straight to the problem where we're going to solve it. And then we'll test it. Okay, here we go. Using the for loop for Guess what? We are done. Let's go ahead and run this code. So something is missing. So let's check. Let's go ahead and check for let I equal to 0. Okay, let's say at 0 I equal to 1. Then I in less than equal to n I plus k. Let's run again. Yeah, we got it. Let's submit it and see if the tests are passing. All tests are passing. Okay. Let's go back to the code. Here's the code. This function takes in an integer and integer n as its parameter. So which is the size of the staircase using the for loop. We iterate from 1 to n inclusive. That's how we're using the flow. So with the for loop, we use the console.log. That function to log a string that consists of n minus I spaces followed by I hash symbol. So the variable I acts as the counter for the loop and also represent the number of hash symbols in each row. You can use anything in place of hash, you know that. So the number of spaces in each row is equal to n minus 1. Yeah. So that the number of hash symbols plus the number of spaces equal n for each row. We use those codes. These codes here to repeat n minus 1 to repeat the spaces n minus I times n. You know, they repeat I, we repeat I, and then we repeat the hash I times. And then we get what we want. Thanks guys. Please subscribe to my page to get more videos. And please ask any question. Ask any question. Any question that you have a problem with, directly send it to me.